Hello everyone. Welcome to a new English learning lesson. In this video, we will practice English with a beautiful love story. It is about a girl named Lily. One night, it is raining heavily. She rides her bike very fast. Suddenly, the bike slips and she falls to the ground. When she opens her eyes, she is in the hospital. This painful accident changes her whole life forever. I will tell the story sentence by sentence. Pause the video after each sentence and repeat after me. This method will help you improve your listening, speaking, and confidence in English. Take a deep breath. Relax. And let's start our English story together. My name is Lily Mitchell, and this is the story about a bike accident that changes my life forever. It is a dark, rainy evening. I ride my bike fast. The road is slippery, but I do not slow down. Suddenly, I fall. Everything goes black. I wake up in the hospital. My head hurts. My leg hurts too. A nurse comes to me. She asks, "You're awake. How do you feel?" I say, "My head hurts. My leg hurts." The nurse says, "You have an accident, but you're safe now. You need to rest." Days pass. I try to walk, but it is very hard. One day, I see a young man in the hospital. He sits in a wheelchair. His name is Ryan Cooper. He also has a bike accident. His head and leg are damaged too. I say, "Hi, I am Lily." He says, "Hi, I am Ryan. I see you have leg problems too." I say, "Yes, bike accident. You too." He says and smiles. "Yes, same story." We talk about our accidents. We talk about our hobbies. I laugh and say, "I think we match perfectly." Ryan laughs too. He says, "Yes, we are the same." I tell him, I go to Riverside Library every Saturday. I love reading there. Ryan says, "That sounds nice." I like reading too. Days pass. We become friends. Then we become best friends. We eat together every day. I push his wheelchair to the small park in the hospital. We talk about everything. One night, something scary happens. I push Ryan in his wheelchair. Suddenly, the lights go out. Everything becomes dark. I am very afraid of the dark. Without thinking, I run to Ryan and hold him tight. Ryan holds me tight too. He says softly, "Do not be afraid, Lily. I am here with you. I do not let anything happen to you." The lights come back. I still close my eyes. I still hold Ryan. When I hold Ryan, my fear goes away. Ryan says, "Lily, are you okay?" The current is back. I open my eyes. My face turns red. I say, "I am sorry. I am a little afraid of the dark." Ryan says and smiles. "Not a little. I think you're very afraid of the dark." We both laugh. After that night, everything changes, but we do not say we love each other. Days pass. We become closer. I feel something different. This is not just friendship. I love him. I cannot hide it anymore. I decide to tell him. One day we are in the park. I take a deep breath. I start to say, "Ryan, I have to tell you something. But at that moment, a nurse comes. She says, Ryan, it is time for your medicine. I cannot tell him. I feel sad. More days pass. My condition gets better. The doctor comes to me. He says, your condition is much better now. You can go home in a few days. I feel happy, but I also feel sad. I have to leave Ryan. Sometimes I see Ryan looking at me for a long time. Maybe he loves me too. My heart beats fast when I think about it. The next day, Ryan comes to me. He looks nervous. He starts to say, Lily, I have something important to tell you. I do not know if this is right, but the doctor comes. The doctor says, Ryan, your parents are here. They want to see you. We need to go. Ryan looks at me. He says, I will tell you tomorrow morning. I promise. I say, okay. I wait. I feel very curious. I feel happy too. I think maybe he wants to say he loves me. I cannot sleep that night. But in the morning, something unexpected happens. It is 7:00 a.m. I look at the door. I wait. 8 a.m. I still wait. 8:30 a.m. Still nothing. Every day, Ryan comes to my bed at 7:00 a.m. Why is Ryan not here? I feel something is wrong. I go to his bed. He is not there. I feel very afraid. I ask a nurse about Ryan. The nurse says, yesterday he fell on the floor. He is in very bad condition. His parents took him to another hospital. I feel more afraid. My heart breaks. I say, oh no, my Ryan. I go to the doctor. I ask, Doctor, where is Ryan? Tears come to my eyes. The doctor says, yesterday his condition got worse. His head injury got worse. His parents decide to take him to another hospital. I ask, do you know where they took him? The doctor says, no, they did not. Tell me. Everything happened very fast. They took Ryan quickly. I cry very hard. I cannot stop crying. A nurse comes to me. She gives me something. It is Ryan's diary. He leaves it by accident. It is under his pillow. I read it. He writes about every day we spend together. On one page it says, today Lily wants to say something to me, but she cannot say it. What does she want to say? Does she feel the same thing I feel? Another page says, I am afraid to tell her. My leg is broken. Maybe I cannot walk again forever. Because of this, she cannot love me. The last page says, I cannot keep this in my heart anymore. I tell her today, whatever happens, it is okay. Maybe Lily gets angry with me, it is okay. I cannot hide this anymore. I cry very hard. My heart breaks into pieces. I leave the hospital. I search for Ryan in every hospital, but I cannot find any information about him. Days pass, weeks pass. I cannot eat properly. I just search for Ryan every day. One day my best friend Sophie comes to me. She says, you need to forget now. It is almost 1 month. You do not even eat properly. Every day you just search for Ryan in hospitals. I say, but I need to know if he is okay. If he is okay, I do not need anything else. I am afraid. Sophie says he is definitely okay. If he is okay, you definitely meet him one day. I believe that. I say quietly, I think so too. Sophie says, I have a good idea. We do not go to the library for a long time. We go there today. Your mood gets better, too. I do not want to go, but Sophie forces me to go with her. We go to Riverside Library. I walk slowly. My heart still feels heavy. Sophie talks, but I do not really listen. I just think about Ryan. Suddenly, I hear a voice from behind. Lily. I know this voice. I turn around. It is Ryan. He stands there. He stands without a wheelchair. I feel so much happiness. I run to him. I hold him very tight. I ask, is this really you? Is this a dream? Tears fall from my eyes. Ryan says, no, Lily, this is real. He holds me tight too. I say, are you okay? I was so afraid. I search for you everywhere. Ryan says, I am okay now. That night, I felt very bad. I got up from the bed and came to your room, but I could not walk. I fell from the wheelchair. The doctor took me back to bed. My condition got very bad. My parents decided to take me away. I did not have the strength to say goodbye to you, but I left my diary. I think you read it. I think you understand my feelings. Tears come to my eyes again. But these are happy tears. Ryan says, after I got better, I went back to the hospital to find you, but the nurse told me you already left. After that, I came to this library every Saturday. The only way to find you is this library. You told me you come here every Saturday, but you are not here. But today I found you. We hold each other very tight. I say I read your diary. I feel the same way. I love you too, Ryan. Ryan says, I love you so much, Lily. We stand there in the library. We hold each other. People walk around us, but we do not care. This moment belongs to us. Love does not always come in perfect moments. Sometimes it comes in hospital rooms and wheelchairs. Sometimes it comes in tears and fears, but when it comes, it changes everything. Ryan changes me. I change him. We are not perfect, but together we are enough. He is my reason to smile, my reason to hope, my reason to believe in beautiful things again. This is our beginning. A beginning born from pain but filled with endless love.